Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Swiss app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Swiss app is the official mobile application of Swiss International Airlines, designed to make booking, managing, and tracking flights easier for travelers. With the app, users can book tickets, check in online, download mobile boarding passes, and receive real-time updates about their flights. It also includes baggage tracking, gate information, and easy access to booking details. For frequent flyers, the app integrates with the Miles and More program, letting passengers collect and redeem miles directly from their device. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many travelers appreciate the app's clean design, smooth navigation, and time-saving features like mobile check-in and boarding passes. The ability to track flights in real time and manage bookings on the go makes travel more convenient. Frequent flyers also find the loyalty program integration a major benefit. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches, such as login issues, slow loading times, or delays in flight status updates. A few travelers also mention that customer support features within the app could be improved. Additionally, while the app covers the essentials, it may lack some advanced travel management tools found in competitor apps. In summary, the Swiss app may be worth using if you regularly fly with Swiss International Airlines and want an easy way to manage bookings, check in, and track flights on the go. However, if you need more advanced features, smoother reliability, or fly across multiple airlines, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.